Hey friends, I am Broccoli. Welcome to KidDraws Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a house with 2 floors in Spanish is casa. So let's get started. So let's draw the house. Now let's draw the ground. Now let's draw the house. Now, very cool. Let's draw now this. But it has 2 floors, but it's gonna be like this. Okay, we gotta drill this house good. Now there. There. Gotta be kinda short. Okay. Let's draw some details up here. So a house is a good drawer, but I gotta make this house kind of bigger, but it looks like a bigger house. I'm going to leave it this one next time when I grow up. And my cat will sleep here, and I'll sleep here. Let's make a door. Next, I gotta make a window. Now I gotta make another window. Gotta make stripes. I gotta make lines. Gotta make another one. I gotta make a square here and lines. Now I gotta draw some window. And a store. Let's make a red store. Maybe can't be a window here. I gotta make a chimney. Smoke. We gotta Alright, now I gotta color this. But the smoke comes from the chimney. Now I gotta color this house. I'm gonna color the door just yellow. No. Yellow's for the sun. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.